Welcome to our guide on the best places to visit in Denmark. Situated in Northern Europe, Denmark is a land of captivating contrasts where historic charm meets modern innovation and picturesque landscapes unfold at every turn. Join us as we explore the enchanting sights, cultural treasures and natural wonders that make Denmark a must-visit destination. From the iconic landmarks of Copenhagen to the serene beauty of Mons Klint, prepare to embark on a journey through this vibrant and dynamic country. Let's uncover the hidden gems and timeless treasures that await in Denmark. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Hit the subscribe button now and join our community. Now let's Nyhavn. Copenhagen. Begin. Number 1. Nyhavn. A picturesque waterfront district in Copenhagen is a vibrant hub of culture and history lined with colorful 17th-century tow houses. It exudes charm and character. Originally a bustling commercial port, today it's a magnet for locals and tourists alike, offering an array of cozy cafes, restaurants serving delectable Danish cuisine, and lively bars. The sight of wooden ships docked along the canal adds to its maritime allure. Hans Christian Andersen, the famed Danish author, once called Nyhavn, adding a touch of literary mystique. Whether strolling along the quay or taking a canal tour, New York Haven captivates with its timeless allure. 2. Old Town. Aarhus, also known as Old Town or Hus de Nam Lay, is a living museum showcasing centuries of Danish urban life. This open-air museum invites visitors to step back in time and explore meticulously recreated streets, buildings and shops from different historical periods. From charming cobblestone alleys to traditional craftsmen workshops, every corner exudes authenticity and nostalgia. Interacting with costumed guides and experiencing daily life as it once was, visitors gain insight into Denmark's rich cultural heritage with its immersive atmosphere and attention to detail. Old Town. Aarhus offers a captivating journey through the past, preserving history for generations. To Kronborg Castle. Come. 3. Kronborg Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in Helsingør, is a magnificent Renaissance fortress steeped in history and legend. Built in the early 15th century, it served as a strategic stronghold, controlling the entrance to the Baltic Sea and collecting tolls from passing ships. Immortalized as Eleanor in Shakespeare's Hamlet, the castle's connection to the legendary Danish prince adds to its allure. Its imposing bastions, grand halls and intricate architecture showcase the wealth and power of the Danish monarchy. Today, Kronborg Castle welcomes visitors to explore its regal chambers, courtyard and underground casemates, offering a glimpse into Denmark's royal past. For Jutland. Denmark's mainland Jutland Beaches Peninsula boasts stunning beaches along its extensive coastline stretching from Skagen in the north to Esbjerg in the west. These sandy shores offer something for every beach lover. The beaches of Jutland vary from serene and secluded coves to wide expanses of golden sand lapped by the North Sea. Popular spots like Green and Romo and Blaven attract sunseekers, water sports enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Whether it's swimming in crystal clear waters, kiteboarding on the waves or simply strolling along the shorelines, Jutland's beaches provide an idyllic setting for relaxation and recreation amid Denmark's natural. Frederiksborg Palace. Beauty. 5. Frederiksborg Palace, situated in Hillerød, is a majestic Renaissance castle surrounded by picturesque gardens and a tranquil lake. Built in the early 17th century by King Christian IV, it stands as a symbol of Denmark's royal heritage and architectural grandeur. With its distinctive copper-clad roofs, ornate towers and intricately decorated facade, Frederiksborg Palace is a masterpiece of Danish Renaissance architecture. The palace houses the Museum of National History, showcasing a vast collection of art, portraits and historical artifacts that chronicle Denmark's rich cultural legacy. Visitors can wander through opulent chambers, landscaped gardens and explore centuries of Danish history and culture. 6. Öresund Bridge. The Öresund Bridge is an engineering marvel linking Sweden and Denmark across the Öresund Strait, stretching over 8 kilometers. It consists of a combined road and rail bridge along with a tunnel section connecting the artificial island of Papal. Opened in 2000, the bridge facilitates seamless transportation between Copenhagen and Malmö, enhancing regional connectivity and fostering economic integration. Its iconic design and innovative construction techniques, including precast segments and underwater tunnels, showcase Scandinavian engineering prowess. The Öresund Bridge has become a symbol of cross-cooperation, cultural exchange and sustainable transportation, serving as a vital lifeline for commuters and travelers in the region. 7. Mons Klint. Located on the Mons Klint eastern coast of the Danish island of Am, is a breathtaking natural wonder renowned for its towering chalk cliffs and stunning coastal scenery. Rising up to 128 m above the Baltic Sea, these dramatic cliffs stretch for about 6 kilometers, offering mesmerizing views of The azure waters below, formed over millions of years. Mons Klint is a geological marvel adorned with fossil-rich layers revealing ancient marine life. Visitors can explore the clifftop trails, discover unique flora and fauna, and descend to the beach below, where the crashing waves create a captivating backdrop against the white cliffs, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts and photographers. 8 Jagerborg Dov Jagersborg Dyrehave, located near Copenhagen, is a historic deer park spanning over 11 square kilometers of woodland and open grassland. Established in the 17th century by King Christian V as a royal hunting ground, it is now a designated UNESCO World Heritage Site and a popular recreational area, home to a thriving population of red and fallow deer as well as other wildlife. The park offers tranquil walking and cycling trails amid ancient oak forests and picturesque lakes. Visitors can also explore historic landmarks like the Armitage Hunting Lodge and enjoy picnics, horseback riding, and nature photography in this serene and scenic sanctuary. 9 Tiv Gardens. Nestled in Tivoli Gardens, the heart of Copenhagen, is one of the world's oldest and most enchanting amusement parks. Since opening in 1843, it has delighted visitors with its whimsical blend of thrilling rides, enchanting gardens, and cultural attractions adorned with colorful lights, ornate architecture, and lush greenery. Tiv exudes a magical atmosphere day and night, from classic roller coasters and carousels to live performances and gourmet dining. There's something for everyone to enjoy. Its iconic attractions like the Raben and the Starflyer offer exhilarating experiences against the backdrop of the park's timeless charm, making Tiv Gardens a must-visit destination for all ages. The Little Mermaid. 10 The Little Mermaid statue, perched on a rock along Copenhagen's waterfront, is an iconic symbol of Denmark's capital. Inspired by Hans Christian Andersen's fairy tale, it depicts a mermaid gazing wistfully into the distance. Created in 1913 by sculptor Edvard Eriksson, the statue has become a beloved landmark and a cultural icon, drawing countless visitors from around the world. Despite its petite size, the Little Mermaid exudes a sense of timeless allure and melancholy, reflecting the poignant themes of longing and sacrifice portrayed in Andersen's tale. It stands as a testament to the enduring power of storytelling and artistic expression.